Hi guys, 12-in-1 solar hydraulic construction kit. Well, I did the gearbox and solar panel last year, as it is now, December. Didn't go any further, so I'm going to have a look, see if I can do one of the models. Probably fast forward the video, so I'll just film what I'm doing and then chat about it afterwards. Put that off to one side. Did that. Eye assembly, claw assembly claw assembly right, claw assembly left, hydraulic module, okay. Right, so it looks like we've got to assemble the hydraulic module next. C. That's C. That part's E. Right. Well, that's all of those bits. Page 4, page 5 and page 6. So it looks like that's number 1. Obstacle avoiding rover assembly. So we'll stop the video there. That'll do for part whatever. And then we'll do the obstacle avoiding rover. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.